7 Thursday morning. Good morning. Chatty bird. It's coming up. A bit breezy. Snow tonight. Crazy weather. Morning, as I showed you the outdoors. I feel like I've been up for hours. It's 11:30. Gonna take the doggies out and then edit my vlog from yesterday. I was already around the neighborhood chasing down my... Go on. You were the ones wanting to go. Let's go. It's like having children. Chasing my recyclable bins again, because of course every Thursday when it's recyclable and bin day, it's as windy as anything. So there's junk all in the street. Do you know, I was waiting for boxes that I'd ordered. Now every day I'm getting, I must have ordered a ton, because every day I'm getting a delivery of boxes from the post office. It's so funny. I must have about 60 boxes now, so we're good. And Ashley bought a bunch of packing pillows, another universal sign. So we've got that, so I don't have to go buy that stuff now. We bought the popping paper, you know, the bubble wrap. I'm sorry, I'll really take the dogs out because I can't concentrate. Okay, we're done with the meeting. Now we're just dropping off the candles. Oh, hello. Look at that. And this is the music Pete makes me listen to. It's awful. But guys, it's like 50 odd degrees out. It's gorgeous. And all the roads are being brined for this snow tomorrow. Even the school's saying they may not have school, so we'll see.
542 endo. That's 516 542 endo. Even if you're uninsured, call Meadow.
Look at that. How pretty. It's dark over there. They've been brining the roads ready for the snow. And the school's even saying they may have a snow day tomorrow, so we'll see. Ooh. Been up and down like a yo-yo, guys. We're heading over to my father-in-law's to wish him a happy birthday. Ash just got out of work. What time is it, hun? 7:30. If you follow Ashley on Snapchat, you'll probably be cracking up the way I was when I was watching her snaps.
I was trying to make Jessie laugh, so I kept playing around.
You did. That's why she kept saying, Bunny. Anyway, I'm not going to take my camera in tonight because I'm sure he's not going to want to be on camera. It's past his bedtime. Hey guys, it's 5 to 11. We went over to my father-in-law's. My mother-in-law's run out and got 2 cakes. So we had a piece of cake with him. And then we left there, it's a little after 9, at 9:30. We went and got something to eat, brought it back here, ate. And now I'm ready to sit up here and just chill out because I'm exhausted. Louis having a little cough. But anyway guys, I hope you've all had a brilliant day. Whatever you guys did today, I hope it was a good one. And we'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Look what Ashley just found. Cute. How much are they? 20?
20, yeah. She doesn't have her own place to use it.